Hello, welcome to the channel. This video is about nouns. Let's get started. Today we're gonna talk about 3 different parts of nouns. The first part, second part, and the third part are collective nouns, common nouns, proper nouns, and some other different nouns. Let's take a look what areas we're gonna cover. Nouns by Uncle Stanley. So, about the introductions. We would talk about using nouns today. We would talk about common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, and collective nouns, as well as the subjects and objects that a noun could be. Using nouns is very important. All sentences are actually talking more about the nouns. Let's take a look at the introduction of nouns. Nouns are a very fundamental part of a language, serving the building blocks for creating meanings in both spoken and written communications. Now, words that name people, places, things, concepts, and they play an essential role in the sentence structures and grammar rules. And also nouns can be concrete, tangible objects like table or dog, or they could be abstract concepts like happiness or freedom. Proper nouns are specific type of nouns, like for particular person, place, things, and they use capitalize, and in addition, common nouns refer to general class of people, places, things, and written in lower cases. The proper use of nouns in a sentence can help people to understand your meaning correctly and precisely, and it improves the clarity, making people an important aspect of effective communications. So the number one thing that we gotta talk about are common nouns. What are they? Let's take a look. Common nouns are words. They refer to general, non-specific people, places, things, or ideas. They don't use capitalize unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Common nouns include objects, animals, concepts, perfections, and even more. Examples of some common nouns: book, city, dog, doctor, school, flower, computer, chair, country, ocean. The most commonly used nouns in everyday communication are common nouns, and they are essential in constructing sentences, and they accurately convey information. Then how about proper nouns? What is proper noun and how to use it? Let's take a look. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are words that refer to specific unique people, places, things, or ideas. They always capitalize, regardless where they appear in a sentence, no matter at the beginning or at the end. And proper nouns can include the name of people, businesses, organizations, geographical locations, and even more. Some examples for proper nouns included John, Google, United Nations, New York City, Mount Everest, the Mona Lisa, Star Wars, Coca-Cola, Michael Jackson, Harvard University. Proper nouns are used to identify specific individuals or entities and to distinguish them from general or common objects or concepts. It is very important in clear communication, and it helps to provide clarity and specificity in written and spoken English. Then how about abstract nouns? What is abstract noun and how do we use it? Let's take a look. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are words that refer to intangible concepts, qualities, or ideas that cannot be seen or cannot be touched, tasted, heard, or smelled. They often used to describe feeling, emotions, or other intangible concepts. Some examples: love, freedom, justice, courage, honesty, intelligence, happiness, sadness, trust, loyalty. Abstract nouns are essential for describing emotions, ideas, intangible qualities that cannot be defined through physical attributes. They help to provide deeper understanding of the world around us and are commonly used in literature, poetry, and other forms of creative writing. Then how about collective nouns? What is collective noun and how do we use it in a sentence? Let's take a look. Connective nouns are words that refer to a group or collection of people, animals, or things. They are used to describe singular unit that is made of multiple individuals. Examples of connective nouns include team, a group of players; flock, a group of birds or sheep; family, a group of people related by blood or marriage; herd, a group of cattle or wild animals; school, a group of students; orchestra, a group of musicians playing instruments; squad, a group of police officers or soldiers; swarm, a group of bees or insects; class, a group of students learning together; committee, a group of people assembled by a specific purpose. Collective nouns help to simplify language by allowing us to refer to groups of people or things with a single term. They're commonly used in everyday conversation and written language, and can help to make descriptions more concise and clear. Then the last one, the function of nouns, and it is regarding nouns to place as an object or as an subject. Let's take a look. A noun can be functioned as both the subject and the object of a verb. For example, the computer is a great invention. Computer is the subject. I used the computer for more than 4 hours. Computer serves as an object of the verb. Wow, that's very nice. A very nice introduction about nouns. And like this video and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.